Garcia Teresa, second year from Black F, and I'm going to portray our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And I'm going to share with you his some of achievements during his time. First, of course, we all know that former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte launched an aggressive anti-drug campaign, leading to the arrest of thousands of individuals involved in drug-related activities. Establish rehabilitation centers for drug surrenderers. Infrastructure development or the Build program. COVID-19 response. Economic reforms. Peace and order. Foreign policy shift. Bangsamoro Peace Process. Universal healthcare. Free college tuition. And many more. Now let's talk about his leadership style. So our former president Duterte has a strong governance, independent foreign policy, rapid decision making, collaborative team, crisis management, and so on. Thank you.